Victor Chukwebuka, in brackets PVC is what they call me. Wow, I feel flabbergasted, eccentric, effulgent, overwhelming, elaborate, fantastic, Montina, spreadlistic. If there is any word like that. The feeling is beyond description. The diction cannot be captured in terms of vocabulary in the dictionary of the whole world.
Wow.
Yeah, it surpasses the mental attraction and mental deciphering and the kanta korusu of ihena that can be imagined. You know, when you say ihena, you know that there is no word to use again.
Yeah.
Start from the second question because it's very, very important. In the next 9 months, I have heard parents wish me a set of twins, but I'm praying to be one. And I'm expecting a baby girl. Yeah, by His grace, by His grace. Then I have given her my promise. It is a solemn promise to take care of her as long as the breath of life remains in me. In as much as Nigeria as a nation is passing through hard times, but the Lord has given us the grace to put one or two things together, and it is my promise that they will go home not only fulfilled, but satisfied.
You are welcome again.
The pleasure is mine.
Thank you.
Thank you. And if you are having any program, contact
INNOSONTV Entertainment.
TV Entertainment. You will never regret it. Love you.
Love you.